Okay, so we are off on another adventure today. The girls have finished up school early. Casey and I have gotten some work things done, and we're only here for a couple more days, so we wanted to get out and experience something new in the park. The last time we were here in the Acadia area, we did the Beehive Hike, and this time we're going to try the Bubble Trail. So come along with us and let's see what the Bubble Trail is all about. All right, so we've arrived at the Bubbles trailhead.
Yeah, well.
This says Bubbles Divide, South Bubbles, South Bubble, and Bubble Rock. 0.5 miles, okay. North Bubble, 0.5 miles. So we shall see. Gonna go on my phone here and go to my step thing. And let's start a hiking workout.
Oh, yeah.
So we can see how far we go.
I know. I told them, they're like, oh, there's only a little bit of elevation. But I'm like, it's a short hike though. It's going to be a lot of elevation in a little amount of time.
How much is it?
Like 567 feet or something like that. Round trip. So in what? 0.8 miles, it's 567 feet elevation.
That's a lot. Y'all said this wasn't a lot of elevation.
It's not. It's all at the beginning.
Did you read that, or are you just saying it?
What?
That it's all at the beginning.
No, I saw it on the diagram of the trail on my All Trails app. All Trails is a great app to use if you're looking for a good hike in the area where you are. You can put whether you want easy, moderate, or difficult, the length you want, the amount of elevation you want.
Is this moderate or easy?
This is considered moderate.
Would like the Beehive one be considered difficult?
I think Beehive was also considered moderate, if I remember right.
But they would have seen that. It's different from that.
Whoa. So when we were in Acadia National Park back in the fall, we did another hike, a little bit different than this one. It was called the Beehive Hike, and I'll put some footage of that right here because we had a really good time on that hike, and we'd really highly recommend that one if you've never been.
And if all your kids are
I'm not doing that hike again.
4.5 feet.
Yeah, I think it was 48 inches, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So 4 feet. That one has some ladders and different things that they recommend your children be over 4 feet, and we would agree with that. All right, we'll do South Bubble, and then we'll come back here, and whoever wants to do North Bubble can do it and come back. Does that sound good? Welcome to Bubble Rock. Did you bring the bubbles?
No.
Oh, great.
It's not Bubble Rock. Sorry,
Yeah,
guys.
forget it then. What a waste.
Bubbles.
Is that Bubble Rock? Or is this Bubble Rock? Come this way. Pretty awesome view here. Cool little spot to rest.
I don't think so.
I think I'll lay down.
You're gonna lay down?
Get her heart pumping.
Really? Sorry, 15
We're back on the trail.
Here we go.
You're good. Follow Claire.
walking up all these big.
Claire, is this bubble rock? Chloe says definitely. So I think that means we can turn around.
I think every rock is bubble rock. It doesn't take your.
Maybe that's the whole point of this, is they all look like bubbles.
The bubbles.
They're all the bubble rocks. We've got to get these girls ready because they got to get ready for a big hike. We're doing a big hike when we go to Glacier.
There's this 13-mile hike in Glacier that Daddy wants us to do.
So a good portion of that hike will be shortened by the fact that we'll kayak over 2 lakes. All right, we won't call it a hike, we'll call it an excursion.
Triathlon. Biathlon.
Caitlin, did you see all the bubbles?
No.
Up at the top. There's the south bubble.
That's the summit.
Yep.
I thought we were seeing bubble rock.
It is. It's right around here.
Oh, okay. Got it.
768 feet of elevation. And then Bubble Rock is just around the corner. Oh wow.
Look at it.
We gotta go down there.
Yeah. Look. Look at
All right, so in this direction,
the road.
you can
and the
kind of
ocean.
see the road going
Ocean.
through the
What?
Summit.
park.
Right there.
It
No,
leads out
look.
to the ocean out that direction. And then if you follow the road this way, follows out, you can see the girls there. Excuse us.
My way was quicker. Oh, you must have to go like all the way around. We could just go down where that girl went down, but whatever. Can I come down there?
Kevin.
Oh, well, no, I'm not going to.
Okay. Well, here, you girls get over here. Okay, come on.
Can you see Daddy?
My turn.
Oh my word. It's like a whole entire.
Ready, Mother?
Daddy.
Mama. Excuse me.
Caitlin said, excuse
Hello.
me. Can I do?
Okay.
I'm saving it.
All right. All right, Kevin. I got one with you in it. No. There's Chloe. All right.
Chloe,
all four-
Chloe was just by the field
Do
trip.
all 4 of you girls want to get there like you're pushing it off and I'll take a picture? We thought you were part of the field trip. Do you want to get on here and act like you're pushing the rock off? Okay.
Attempted to push this off, and they didn't. They didn't budge it. They're not. No, whether that's true, I don't know. But that's. Well, think about it. If you push it off.
A whole bunch of people. Oh.
I don't remember.
Mommy, where are you?
Look, show it to the camera. We found the painted rock that has Heart Mom. So they've got it roped off over here for some reason. Not sure why. But there's some pretty flowers over here.
Like they have this part roped off or they have that roped off? Don't know.
I should go on that little path. There I go.
Like the girl science lesson.
Squirrel path.
I'm going into the wilderness, Daddy.
All right, so if you look there, you see the bubble rock, and then from there, you go around to here, and there is Jordan Pond, and that is where we spent our Saturday afternoon kayaking.
Okay, so today is the warmest day we're gonna have. So we decided to kayak. So we're in our boat, and they're in their boats. Well, that's a pretty picture up there. And now we're back in the kayak, but now I'm in the back and Daddy is in the front, and so now Daddy isn't laying back. So now we're gonna paddle back to where we went off, and we'll get out of the kayaks.
I'm gonna need some Advil.
It looks like a little bit rougher now than it was when we were on it. In the distance you can see, I believe that's Eagle Lake, and then that's a much larger lake than Jordan Pond.
Which way?
All right, so we're leaving Bubble Rock. Oh, really? Sweet.
Watch out.
Did it pause like literally every time we got in?
Yes.
Yes, it's stupid.
Coming this way?
We don't know where we're going. Yes, we're not lost, we're wandering.
Exactly. Just wander where the road takes you.
There you go. We'll wander out here and then wander in there. This is where we rested the first time. Do we want to sit down or no?
Yeah, we do.
We are hiking the Bubble Trail today at Acadia National Park. This hike is a short hike. It's about 1.5 miles, but it has some elevation gain. You get up to the top and have some good views and a good photo op with a rock that looks like it's falling off the mountain. Why do these bugs terrorize me?
Mama's getting eaten alive by the bugs. There are some flying insects around here. They're not mosquitoes and they're not gnats. They're kind of like, well, they're bigger than white flies. They're bigger than a gnat, but they bite you. All right, so we just went to Bubble Rock. Parking is 0.3 miles. Bubbles Divide is right here where we're at. Here we go.
Go to parking.
Headed toward the parking lot with some breaking off to the North Trail. We are back to the point where we had to make a decision earlier. We went to South Bubble and to Bubble Rock. And now, for those who would like to, we're going to make the 0.2 mile trek to North Bubble Summit. All right, whoever wants to can go up here, and whoever wants to can stay down here.
Who's you and Caroline are going up?
We are.
Is anybody else going?
Can we not just stay in here because it's hot?
I don't know if I want to go. I mean, I can wait here with people, or I can keep walking down with people.
Caitlin, staying here?
I guess I'll just go.
There's easy steps on that side right there.
Why did I say I would go?
All right, go.
Holy moly.
Stay up the steps.
This is literally all just climbing straight up rocks.
It is
Yeah,
a
it's
lot,
all straight up rocks.
but they have nice steps carved out for you. Why did we do this? Well, we're hoping for a really cool view at the top, but you never know unless you go. All right, we'll catch you back at when we get to the top. We'll show you the view. So we made it. I don't think we're all the way to the top yet, but we got another pretty cool view of Jordan Pond, where we kayaked. This has been, so the North Bubble Trail is a little more straight up. Just a lot of climbing on rocks to get up to, I think we're close to the top, but not all the way there yet. So I don't think it's that much further, so we'll go ahead and see if we can find the sign for the North Bubble Summit. Down there at the bottom you can faintly see some people walking across a bridge. That's part of the Jordan Pond Loop Trail that you can walk around. It's about 3.2 miles, I believe, to walk around Jordan Pond. As I mentioned, we started at that far end down there, not quite to the house that you can see at the end of the pond. We kayaked from there all the way down here to a little beach that's just out of sight from where we're at right now. We had a fun time kayaking. I think the girls enjoyed kayaking more than they're enjoying the hiking. Would you say that's true?
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's go find the summit. All right, we're gonna hike just a little further, hopefully find the summit, and we'll be back to you when we do. All right, I can see the top. Caitlin, you coming?
Yeah.
We're almost there.
This
Oh,
thing's-
we're almost there.
We're just gonna hold
I
this.
think it's right there.
Up there?
I think
Oh, look at that big rock.
right there would be the summit, just beyond the tree and the rock and the everything else.
What was that?
No. I mean, it would be fun, but if Mama saw a video of that, we'd really be in trouble.
The audio from this mic is just gonna be some ASMR breathing.
Oh, sweet. Look at this. Come this way. Okay, go up that way. North Bubble elevation. We'll see what this sign says. What's the number? 872 feet.
See that? That's how much elevation. We just
266 miles?
Meters.
Oh.
We definitely didn't start at 0 though.
Oh.
All right, have a seat.
They probably didn't think about that.
Oh, yay! Footage of the rock. Hope you like it. Oh, hello.
Check your phone and see.
Yeah, check your phone and see. I'm gonna get a picture of me and you, Kaden. Okay, come on. Daddy.
back.
That just sounds wrong. We've all got to climb up there to get down. Ooh. Hoo-yah.
Yes, we can.
Right here, it's kind of easy. You can like grab on, kind of. Anyways.
We'll move so I can.
Hoo-yah.
All right, so we made it to the top. We enjoyed the views, got a few pictures, and now we are headed back to the bottom. We're not going to video any on the way down because we just want to focus on getting down and getting back to the truck. All right, we're en route to the bottom. Bubble Rock parking, 0.1 mile.
Taking the lead this time.
And we are back to the truck.